Buried treasures. Just as squirrels hide acorns in the ground, you can hide treasures inside your soaps. Soaps with buried treasures make sensational gifts. 1. Soap stacks. Pour melted soap into a shallow pan or onto a piece of aluminum foil. Let the soap harden into a thin sheet. 2. Cut out soap shapes with cookie cutters. 3. Stack your shapes and tie the stack with a piece of ribbon, a piece of twine, or raffia. Charm soaps. 1. Lightly oil the mold and then pour a thin layer of clear soap base into the mold. 2. Let it cool a bit, then spritz it with rubbing alcohol. 3. Add a small plastic bracelet, toy, or charm and let the soap harden. 4. Spritz with alcohol again and fill the mold with melted soap. As the soap is used, the treasure appears. Make sure your embedded object is color fast and doesn't have sharp edges. Photo soaps. Photo soaps make great mementos of special occasions. Laminate a small photo or seal it completely in heavy, clear packing tape. Place your photo inside your mold and pour clear or colored transparent soap base over it. It's soap in a soap. To embed one soap within another, place a cool, hard soap inside a larger mold. Spritz it with alcohol, then pour melted soap of a different color over the hard soap. Make sure it is not too hot, or you'll melt the hard soap. 3D soaps. Instead of placing the smaller soap inside of a larger soap, glue it to the top for a 3D effect. 1. Use white soap base to mold one of the small forest animals. 2. Use clear soap base and darker colors or ingredients in the round beauty bar mold. 3. After both soaps are unmolded, use a dab of melted soap to glue the cameo onto the background. Troubleshooting. The beauty of melt and pour soaps is that you can't really mess up. If you feel like something's gone wrong, here are a few simple things to try. Bubble troubles. If your soaps have bubbles on or in them, stir the ingredients in slowly. This way you're not adding bubbles. Spray the molds with rubbing alcohol before you pour in the hot soap. Spritz the tops of the soaps with rubbing alcohol after you've poured them into the molds. Soft soap. Add a little coconut oil to the soap base. Bonus, coconut oil also makes your soaps lather better. Leftovers. Save and remelt leftover soaps. Leftover pieces also work great in mosaic soaps. See page 12. White fuzz. Glycerin attracts water from the air around it. To prevent white fuzz from forming on the outside of your soaps, don't let the soap base boil while you're melting. Let your soaps cool slowly. Avoid high humidity. History of soap. Soap has been around for a long time. A scroll found between the legs of a mummy describes how ancient Egyptians bathed regularly with a soap-like substance. These first soaps were made from animal fat and ashes, a far cry from the foaming beauty bars we use today.